Hi there! In this video we'll be taking a look at this wireless adapter that can turn wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto into wireless versions of them. It should be able to work in any car, and it comes in multiple colors that you can choose from, but we have the simple black version. So let's get to it. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. So it is normally standard USB type A, but it also has an adapter from this to type C USB, depending on, oh, this is quite stuck in here. Let me try and push it from the other side so I don't break the cable. Depending on what you need it for, it can also work like this, and you can plug it into a type C port. We'll see how the card that we'll be testing this on actually needs it. Nothing more in the box. We have the instructions right here. I'll be giving you just a quick look at them, and feel free to pause at any time. And after that we'll be just going into the car and testing this thing. Yes, obviously in other languages, but English is the universal one. And we are inside the car, Renault Megane 4 from 2022. In theory, all that we need to do is plug this in. Right here, standard USB, so no adapter needed. It has power. Now we need to search for the Bluetooth and connect to it. And it's already found, and we will connect to it. Okay, it gives a random pin, so now we can pair it. Hit that. And it's working perfectly. So quite seamless, not much to do. It's fully connected to the phone now, wireless, and as you can see we have a green LED. Okay, so absolutely working. This is from the phone, this is maps from the phone. Everything is working absolutely fine. You can see all the info right here. Plug and play. Easier than this it cannot get. And in this car, for example, you can quickly switch between the car menu and the CarPlay menu. And that's about it. I honestly really like it when a product works flawlessly and nothing to do, basically. Just connect to it and it's done. So thank you very much ZHNN for sending this in. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments how it works over the years, and yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video. Bye.